Most people mess up insurance quotes in one of two ways. Either they compare only the price and end up underinsured, or they get so overwhelmed by options that they never compare at all and just stick with whatever they have. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact process that actually works. You'll know how to get accurate quotes, what to compare beyond just the number, and the 5 mistakes that'll cost you thousands. Let's do this. Before you request a single quote, understand what you're actually buying. Auto insurance has liability, collision, and comprehensive. Homeowners insurance has dwelling coverage, personal property, and liability. Life insurance comes in term and permanent. Health insurance has different network types and deductibles. Each type of insurance has moving parts. You can't compare a quote smartly if you don't know the difference between a $10,000 deductible and a $500 deductible. Know what you're shopping for before you start shopping. Every single quote is built from your personal data and claims history. When you request a quote, the insurer pulls your driving record, runs your credit score, checks past claims, looks at your home details, or reviews your health information. Then their algorithms calculate your risk and spit out a rate. The key insight: tiny details change everything. Your credit score affects auto rates in most states. Your house's year built affects home rates. Whether you smoke affects life rates. The quote is never random. It's driven by data and underwriting rules. Understand this, and you'll know exactly what to watch for. Before you request a quote, spend 10 minutes pulling documents. For auto insurance, grab your driver's license, vehicle registration, and any past insurance policy. For home insurance, have the property address, construction year, and square footage ready. For life insurance, prepare your health history. Having this ready means your quotes will be accurate the first time. If you request a quote with incomplete information, the quote they send you won't match the real quote once you get approved. 10 minutes of prep prevents an hour of confusion later. Organize your documents before you start. You've got 3 paths. First, direct from the insurer. Go to State Farm's website, fill out their form, get their quote. Go to Geico, Progressive, same deal. Second, broker websites like NerdWallet, The Zebra, or Insurify. You enter your info once and they send it to multiple insurers. Third, independent agents who represent multiple companies. Direct quotes take longer, but they're thorough. Broker sites are fastest, but some insurers aren't on them. Agents are great if you have complicated situations or medical issues. Best practice: use a broker site to get 3 to 5 quotes quickly, then get 1 or 2 direct quotes from insurers you've heard of. Don't rely on just one source. This is where most people fail. Never compare quotes by price alone. First, make sure the coverage is identical. Same deductible, same liability limits, same exact coverage type. If quote A is cheaper than quote B but covers less, that's not a win. Once coverage matches, then compare price. Also check for bundling. Most insurers give 5 to 15% off if you insure multiple things with them. Look for discounts, paperless, safety features, professional affiliations, loyalty discounts. Call each company and ask what you qualify for. Finally, check the company's rating on AM Best or JD Power. A cheap quote from an insurer with poor claim ratings means nothing if they fight you on claims. Mistake 1: lying on your application. Even small lies void coverage. Mistake 2: comparing different coverage levels and thinking you're saving money when you're just getting less protection. Mistake 3: never asking about discounts. You might qualify for things you don't know about. Mistake 4: never revisiting your quote. Get new quotes every 12 months or when life changes. Your rates, your eligibility, and new discounts change constantly. Mistake 5: choosing the absolute cheapest without checking the company's reputation. A slightly higher premium from a solid company beats rock bottom from someone who denies claims. These five alone cost average Americans hundreds annually in either overpayment or underprotection. Get at least 3 quotes. Not one, not two. 3. That's your real baseline. Write down the coverage limits and deductibles for each quote so you're comparing apples to apples. Set a calendar reminder to revisit quotes in 12 months. When you get a quote that seems off, call and ask why. There might be an error in their data pull that's driving the price up. And honestly, shopping around is how you actually save money. Use the free checklist we've linked in the description. It walks you through every step we covered today, plus a comparison spreadsheet so you track everything in one place. What questions do you have? Comment below and we will make a video about it.